The three big trends in soda ash industry today are: one, the growth of natural dense soda ash in the combination synthetic is under pressure. On the demand side, solar glass in India and automotive and architectural glass. The flat glass is going to drive demand for soda ash consumption, and globally lithium will drive the consumption of soda ash. So these are the three main. Of course, soda ash continues to be very long in global markets. So for the next 3-4 years, we expect that the prices will be under pressure. The primary driver in soda ash markets is price, and the first demand of customers is price. But we always tell them that our delivery, our services, our supply chain will distinguish us. The quality, of course, is best. Our carbon emissions are very low. So all this adds up. But being a commodity product, customer always looks at price. AMI ChlorAlkali conference is very unique in the sense that it gives a lot of commercial discussions and also technology and technical discussions. So this is unique, and we have a mix of technical and commercial ideas which float around, and networking areas and discussions with all the delegates are very important. We learn a lot, and we give a lot of information. So this is quite unique.